1. 1968 Chevrolet C10, Nyland Heights, NJ. The 1968 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck is in good condition with significant recent work done. It features a 307 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, making it an ideal classic for someone who enjoys a hands-on driving experience. The truck is rear-wheel drive, RWD, and runs well thanks to a comprehensive overhaul of the braking system, including a new master cylinder, hoses, wheel cylinders, and more. The suspension system, including shocks, has been replaced, and the body is in great shape with only minor imperfections. The interior is functional, and the truck's mechanical upgrades ensure it drives smoothly. This is a solid truck for those seeking a classic that's ready to hit the road for daily use or as a weekend cruiser. The asking price of $9,000 is reasonable given the truck's solid mechanical state and clean title. 2. 1968 Chevy C10, $9,999, Austin TX. This 1968 Chevy C10 is a project truck with a unique history, featuring a patina finish and rumored to have a 468 big block engine and supercharger, producing an estimated 600 horsepower. It's equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, RWD. While the engine and drivetrain details aren't fully verified, the truck does offer a high level of customization with potential for significant performance upgrades. This truck is a project, as the seller no longer has time to complete it, offering an opportunity for someone with the skills to restore and enjoy it. The asking price is $9,999, making it an affordable entry for those looking to invest in a muscle truck restoration. 3. 1969 Ford F100 Stepside, $7,500, Albuquerque, NM. This 1969 Ford F100 Stepside offers a recent rebuilt motor with only 1,000 miles since the rebuild. It features a 246-cylinder engine and a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The truck has been well maintained with new starter, alternator, distributor, fuel pump, brakes, and clutch components. The exterior is in decent shape, and while it needs new tires, the truck runs well and is ready to be enjoyed. At $7,500, it's a great price for a classic truck that offers dependable transportation and a project with some room for personal touches. 4. 1963 C60 grain truck, Naperville, IL. The 1963 C60 grain truck, with only 58,160 miles on the odometer, is in fair condition. It's powered by a 6-cylinder 292 engine and requires a water pump replacement. The truck was last run 2 years ago, so it's a solid starting point for restoration or could serve as a project for someone looking for a vintage farm or work vehicle. At $1,800, it's an affordable option for those looking to get into the classic truck scene or repurpose the vehicle for something functional, like a custom utility truck or parts donor. 5. 1965 Thunderbird Sinatra, name on registration, $3,599. The 1965 Thunderbird is a unique car due to its potential connection to Frank Sinatra, adding an intriguing element to its story. The car is in fair condition and has an 8-cylinder engine with a brown exterior and automatic transmission. While the car needs some cosmetic work, it comes with a Marty report verifying its original features, including power windows, power seats, and more. It also includes a copy of the original registration that mentions Sinatra, which could be a fun talking point for collectors. The asking price of $3,599 is a great deal for a car with such a storied history, despite the repairs needed. 6. 1954 International R1110 pickup, Lewiston, ME. This 1954 International R110 pickup is a family heirloom, having been in the seller's family for over 40 years. The truck was restored 30 years ago, and it still maintains its original 6-volt system. The exterior has some surface rust and minor dents, but the bed is in great shape. The interior remains in excellent condition. While it does require some carburetor adjustments, the truck is still functional and has been garage kept for the last decade. The $8,000 asking price reflects the truck's solid overall condition, its family history, and the originality of its parts. Seven, 1954 Chrysler New Yorker Deluxe, 2500, Springdale, AR. The 1954 Chrysler New Yorker Deluxe is a barn find that has been parked since 1992. While it's a project car, it offers a decent starting point with its original engine and good chrome and interior. The car does have some significant rust spots, particularly in the trunk, floor pans, and under the hood. The engine is not currently running, but turns over. The car comes with new tires and could be restored to a running condition with the right care. At $2,500, this classic car offers an affordable project for enthusiasts looking for a challenge. 8, 1972 Chevy 1/2 ton 2x4 Cheyenne, $14,500 dual. The 1972 Chevy 1/2 ton Cheyenne is in excellent condition, equipped with a 1988 305 engine with fuel injection and a 700R automatic transmission. The truck also features air conditioning, making it an even more attractive option for daily use. With a solid body and frame, the truck runs and drives smoothly and is a great representation of the classic Cheyenne lineup. The asking price of $14,500 is well in line with the truck's excellent condition and modern upgrades, such as the engine swap and air conditioning system. 9, 1971 K10 lifted and ready to roll, 11,000 Albuquerque NM. The 1971 Chevy K10 pickup truck is lifted and ready to hit the trails. It features a small block V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has recently undergone several updates, including a rebuilt Edelbrock carb and brand new wheels and tires. The truck is in great shape overall, though it has some rust on the cab corners. At $11,000, it's a solid investment for someone looking for a rugged and functional off-road truck with a strong classic vibe. 10. 1965 Malibu Chevelle, 12 and 500, Greeley CO. The 1965 Malibu Chevelle is a classic American muscle car with a powerful 327 engine and automatic transmission. The car has been partially restored with recent upgrades to the engine, including a new Edelbrock carb, intake, and ignition system. The body was in good condition before being rear-ended, but it does need some repair work on the driver's side rear quarter. The asking price of $12,500 is reasonable, given the car's solid drivetrain, although the body repair work and some hail damage should be considered. $11. 1967 Ford Ranchero 500XL, 12 little $500, Tucson AZ. The 1967 Ford Ranchero 500XL is a unique blend of muscle and utility, with a 289 engine featuring 351 heads and a small cam. It's also equipped with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, MSD ignition, and a clean undercarriage with no rust. The car runs and drives well, and it has a ton of documentation, including receipts dating back to the early 90s and a deluxe Marty report. The $12,500 asking price is fair for a classic with a great history and strong performance. $12. 1986 Chevy C10 Short Bed Custom, $14,000, Waltham MA. The 1986 Chevy C10 Short Bed Custom offers significant modifications, including a new Edelbrock 350 engine, 450 horsepower, B&M transmission, new fuel tank, brakes, and a custom interior. The truck is in good condition overall, though the rebuild is somewhat older. The asking price of $14,000 is reasonable, considering the upgrades and customization, making it a good option for anyone seeking a street-worthy classic with modern performance features. $13. 1988 F350 Diesel Crew Cab, $10,500, Yakima, WA. The 1988 Ford F350 Diesel Crew Cab is a solid running project truck featuring a 7.3 IDI diesel engine and 4x4 drivetrain. The truck has undergone a transformation with parts from donor vehicles to restore it to a more classic look. While it remains rough around the edges, the truck is an excellent choice for someone looking to restore a vintage diesel 4x4 for work or play. At $10,500, it's a fair price for a project truck with a strong engine and potential for further restoration.